Get ready, Shiba Inu holders. Pack your bags, grab your stuff. We are going to the moon. Alright. Shiba Inu, which hailed as the real dog crypto, is one of the newest emerging cryptocurrencies on the market. But the real question is, when will Shiba Inu coin reach 50 cents? And what has Jeff Bezos got to do with Shiba? These questions will be answered today. But first, welcome to the Wealthy Money channel, and do like this video, subscribe and comment your favorite crypto coin in the comment sections below. So without further ado, let's dive into the topic. A game plan that is strategic. Shiba Inu, also known as the Dogecoin killer, is quickly gaining popularity among Chinese cryptocurrency dealers. Shiba Inu was started by a man named Ryoshi. His justification for giving Vitalik Buterin more than half of the Shiba Inu supply is as follows. Shiba Inu, he believes, will develop its own environment. Shiba Swap, a decentralized exchange on the Ethereum blockchain network, where community members can trade, buy, sell and hold for rewards, will bring this to reality. It's also built as an artist incubator, implying that non-fungible tokens will play a prominent role in the ecosystem. Instead of the typical white paper released by a new coin, fundamentals theorize a bright future, while the on-chain metrics are straightforward. Fundamentals give an idea of the potential of a project a company might have. As for Shiba Inu, there are three main points of interest. First, the Shiba Swap. Second, Shiba Inu NFTs. And the third, Shiba Inu Dog Rescue. Shiba Swap is a decentralized exchange expected to house two other tokens, Leash and Bone, that the project is creating. While both the tokens are ERC20 tokens, they follow different tokenomics. The decentralized exchange, according to the white paper, will have yield farming capabilities. And another direction that Shiba Inu is focusing is the non-fungible token industry via its artist incubator, which will invite creators from various genres and platforms to create NFTs that are tradable on the Shiba Swap decentralized exchange. Lastly, the most impactful bet the Shiba Inu is making is an effort to rescue Shibas all around the world. In this direction, the Shiba Inu utilizes Amazon's built-in Smile feature to donate to this cause. Shiba Inu price range bound for the momentum, but the launch of Shiba Swap or a significant development on the NFT hold the key to potentially triggering the 100% upswing detailed above. Despite being tagged the Dogecoin killer, both the cryptocurrencies are primarily driven by the retail hype. Therefore, a potential spike in social mentions or celebrity endorsements can also add a tailwind to the bull rally that could double the Shiba Inu price. Given Shiba Inu's use of an Amazon-built Smile feature, Jeff Bezos could be the man behind the hidden Shiba Inu whale account. Although it is not confirmed, Jeff Bezos has been very quiet when it comes to crypto. Amid Elon Musk's constant rambling over Dogecoin, Jeff Bezos could secretly be holding Shiba Inu to rival Elon Musk's Dogecoin. What do you think? Shiba Inu's planned decentralized cryptocurrency launched in August 2020 by anonymous cryptocurrency users. The Shiba Inu token is based on the same Shiba Inu dog meme as Dogecoin, which was itself created as a joke by its founders. The developers of Shiba Inu described it as an experiment, decentralized spontaneous community building based on the Ethereum blockchain. Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token that will be the first listed on the Shiba Swap decentralized exchange. The aim is to compete with the other decentralized exchanges including Uniswap and SushiSwap. Shiba Swap is undergoing security tests, audits and finally updates ahead of its launch. According to the project's website, the Shiba Inu ecosystem has grown to include ShibSwap, fund tokens and an artist incubator. The developers are also currently working with artists to develop non-fungible token ventures. Shiba Inu has a total supply of 1 quadrillion Coins, which is designed to allow users to hold billions or even trillions of tokens. According to the developers, this means that Shiba Inu's value can remain well under a penny but still generate larger returns for its holders due to the quantity. There are 394.79 trillion tokens in circulation, with a total market capitalization of $3.47 billion on 2nd of June. When Shiba Inu was created, 50% of the total supply was locked to Uniswap and the remaining 50% was sent to Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin. According to the project's website, however, on the 13th of May, Vitalik donated more than 50 trillion Shiba Inu coins along with 500 Ethereum to the Indian COVID Crypto Relief Fund. The Shiba Inu coins were valued at more than $931 million at that time. Vitalik then burnt 410.24 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, 90% of his remaining stock worth more than $6.7 billion on May 16th. In a note attached to the transaction, he said he would send the remaining 10% to a charity with a similar values to the Crypto Relief Fund but with a longer term goal. It was not possible to hold the coins in the wallet. Any transaction to move them would be interpreted as an action affecting the price. In a note attached to another transaction, Vitalik urged other crypto developers not to send him coins in the future without consent, saying, "I don't want to be a locus of power of that kind." Shiba Inu price shows an extended consolidation after a massive flash crash caused by Ethereum creator Vitalik after he pulled the Shiba Inu liquidity from Uniswap. The dog-themed cryptocurrencies trading sideways, awaiting a trigger for a massive breakout move. Shiba Inu's price technicals point to a 100% upswing. Shiba Inu price dropped a whopping 83% to $0.0000654 from May 10 to May 19. This nosedive was triggered after Vitalik Buterin sold his gifted 2 trillion in Shiba Inu worth $40 million on May 12th. The plummet caused some damage to the meme coin, but price action since this drop has developed a consolidation in a tight range. Interestingly, the volume for this sideways movement is declining, suggesting that Shiba Inu's price is coiling up for a massive move higher. Further supporting this rally is the moving average convergence divergence, also known as MA indicator, which shows declining histograms indicating a decrease in short-term selling momentum. Moreover, the short length moving average of 12 megaamperes is heading higher, converging toward slow length moving average of 26 megaamperes. This technical setup reflects a bullish move waiting to happen. If the 12 megaampere moves above the 26 megaamperes, it will indicate a bullish crossover, confirming a shift in movement towards the bulls. How much Shiba Inu do you own? Let me know down in the comment section below. And if you want to continue to learn about crypto market, about cryptocurrencies, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and help me to get this channel to 1000 subscribers for weekly content just like this. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.